Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a beautiful crochet granny square. It's a basic stitch. You should have to know that how we can make a simple granny square or basic granny square. Okay, we are going to have a yarn of size 3.5 mm, and the hook size is also going to have 3.5 mm, and we are going to create a beautiful and simple crochet granny square. So first of all, we will make a magic ring that will be created like 2 fingers and like this. We have to make a cross here like this, and we will take the yarn from this circle. Now pull this yarn a little bit like this. Now we will take the 3 chains. We will make here 3 chains, 2 double crochet in the magic circle, like this. Now 2 chains, 3 double crochet in the magic circle, 1, 2, 3. Now again make the 2 chains, make the 3 more double crochet in the circle, 1. You can pull this from here like this, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to make another 2 chains. Now we have to make 3 more double crochet in the circle, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to repeat. We will make 2 chains and we will pull this yarn from here like this. Now we will make a slip stitch here to lock it up like this. These are 4 corners of the granny square. Now we are going to make 3 chains, double crochet in all the chains like this. Now we have to increase 1 more double crochet in this chain space like this. Chain 2. Now we have to increase 1 more double crochet in this chain space for this side of the square. As you can see, we can increase 1 more double crochet in this chain space. Now double crochet in all the next chains. Now we have to increase 1 more double crochet in this chain space like this. 2 chain. We have to increase 1 more double crochet in the chain space for this side of the granny square. Now double crochet 4 double crochet in all the next chains. One more double crochet in this chain space, 2 chains, one more double crochet in this chain space, double crochet in all the next chains, one increase double crochet in chain space, chain 2, one more increased double crochet in this chain space. Now slip stitch here to lock it up. Here is a simple granny square, and we will going to increase it by making the same procedure as we done before. 3 chains, double crochet in all the chains, now we are going to make one double crochet, extra double crochet here. Now we are going to make 3 chains here, 3 chains here, one double crochet in this chain. Now in double crochet in all the next chains, one increased double crochet in this chain space, 3 chains, one double crochet that will be extra, and double crochet in all the chains, and repeat the whole process all over the granny square. Then I'll show you what are the final results. Here is the final look of our granny square. You can customize it with your own size. You can make it more bigger than this, and it is more and you can use different colors. How to apply the other colors on the granny square, you can watch my another video of granny square, and I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much.